you, Madam Speaker. I have just a few questions in re-exam. Geoffrey, you have been asked whether you have made any form of complaint against the conduct of the governor. So my direct question is, have you ever made any complaint against the conduct of the governor?
Against the conduct?
Yes.
No.
You have not?
Yes.
Have you talked to, because I remember correctly you...
Is that speaker on?
Yes.
Please adjust it.
It is, Madam Speaker. Thank you. I remember you mentioning the Association of People Living with Disabilities. Did you make any complaint of your treatment by the governor to that association?
Yes, I made to the chair and the Association for Persons with Disability, Kericho County, and also to the ambassador of persons with disability about the next step. I wanted to take the step of terminating the contract then, but I was told by the Association of Persons with Disability that I remain a little bit because it would affect negatively going forward on the employment of persons with disability, because they would think that I didn't serve to the fullest.
Is the fact that you have not taken any legal action against the governor an indication that you are not violated in any way by the governor?
No.
Lastly, the request to review your term of contract, was it made directly by the governor or through other officials of the county?
It was through, it was in a meeting headed by His Excellency the Governor, and it was through the governor, and also squarely the directive was from His Excellency in his boardroom.
In his very boardroom. Thank you very much, Geoffrey. Madam Speaker, that will be all for Mr. Geoffrey, unless the honorable senators have any questions for him.
I think you may now move to your next witness. So he may be sworn in.
Thank you, and I requested for him to protect to family and high.
Madam Speaker, the witness is making a specific request to the House. I have no capacity to make that.
Are you not here? Yes.
Speaker, Madam, there is that first request. I'd requested about the protection to me and to my family members after appearing on this particular hearing. Thank you.
Now, your request has actually been noted, so it will be taken into account.
Thank you, Madam Speaker.
Next witness, please.
Our next witness, Madam Speaker, is Edna Chepkirui Tonui.
Just hold on and hold the time. Can I have the two leaders, please? Majority and minority, please. Now, for the first witness we had, we would like to request that he doesn't leave so that in case the senators have any clarifications later, they will actually seek that clarification. Now, for the next witnesses, we will actually seek those clarifications immediately after re-examination. So can we swear in the next witness, please?
I, Edna Chepkirui, do swear solemnly that the evidence that I shall give before the Senate in respect of the matters before the Senate shall be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth. So help me God.
Thank you, Edna. Kindly state your full names for record purposes and what you do for livelihood.
I'm Edna Chepkirui. Currently, I'm a business lady as well as a farmer.
Previously, what was your engagement or relationship with the county government of Kericho?
I was a CC in the Department of Agriculture, Livestock and Cooperatives Management until the 23rd of December 2024.
What was the recruitment process for you? Was it competitive or it was a direct nomination by the governor?
It was competitive.
By competitive, what do you exactly mean?
I mean the positions were advertised, we applied, and then we went through a panel and we were selected. After that, we were vetted by the County Assembly of Kericho, and our names were forwarded to the governor for appointment.
So do you term your employment as being on merit?
Yeah, it was on merit.
Thank you. You have also talked about in your affidavit at paragraph 4 that your employment was terminated on 23rd of December 2024.
Actually, when I remember, it's just very emotional for me. On the 23rd of December, I was seated with my family, ready for dinner, and then on Facebook, my son is telling me, "Mom, are you aware you've been dismissed? What did you do?" And then I was like, "No, it can't happen." My son told, "But it is in the Facebook page of the governor. Why are you saying it's not so?" Then I, checking on it, I saw 6 of us have been dismissed on a 23rd at 7 p.m. on a Facebook page without prior notification that we will be terminated. It was so sad. On a 23rd of, we were going for Christmas to enjoy with our children. Here we are. You are being told, go home.
Thank you. Kindly point to the senators the specific page where that Facebook post is contained.
The Facebook page, it's on page 73.
73 of volume 4.
Volume 4A.
4A.
Yeah.
Can you confirm that that is the official page, Facebook of the governor?
Yeah, it is.
Proceed and briefly read to the senators the comments that were made by the governor in that Facebook post.
For immediate release, reorganization of government, pursuant to Section 179 of the Constitution of Kenya and County Government Act, Section 30(2)(3), I, Honorable Eric Kipkoech Mutai, PhD, Governor, Kericho County, in exercise of executive authority, have made the following changes in the county government executive. Pursuant to paragraph 23 of the section of the service of the county executive, together with section 41 of the County Government Act number 17 of 2012, I have given notice to termination of contract to the following county executive members. A, Honorable Kipruta Malel. B, Honorable Rosemary Rob. C, Honorable Edna Tanui, that is me. D, Honorable Leonard Ngetich. E, Honorable Bernard B. Honorable Brian Langat.
Thank you. Prior to that Facebook post, had you been subjected to any disciplinary action?
No.
By the County Public Service Board or the governor himself or any other known mechanism in law?
No.
You had not?
Yeah.
Was this the first time you were hearing about the termination of your employment?
It was the first time, and at first I didn't believe it. Only to see now the comments from people on Facebook telling us, Pole, it was humiliating. In my 50 years that I've lived, I've never been subjected to such a thing.
Pole, Edna, eventually, did you ever get any official communication from the county?
On the 24th, I got a message from the governor's secretary telling us to go and pick the letters, which I didn't go for it on that day because already I had traveled out for Christmas holiday with my family, so I picked my letter on the 27th of December.
What was the reason given for your termination?
The reasons given for the termination were executive order. It was therefore the executive order number 1 of 2022, 1 of 2023, and executive order 1 of 2024, which in those executive orders, it was just the normal rearrangement of government where you are transferred from one department to another department, of which at no one point I was transferred and I refused to move. In the 2 years I served in Kericho County, I was in health department when I joined. That was in 4th of November 2022. In April 2023, I was moved to Public Service Management, PSM, and I moved without question. I handed over. On the 26th of October 2023, I was moved from PSM to agriculture, and that is where I exited from.
Had you received any form of notice to show cause or
No.
an appraisal of any kind?
None at all.
None. Edna, then, why would the governor abruptly on his Facebook page dismiss you from employment?
Up to date, I can tell this house I've never known, but I have some instincts are telling me maybe because I was unable to continue giving out the money the way he used to sometimes tell us to support him in the fundraisers, but we had committed our payslips, we were unable to still support. So at that point, I just told myself maybe that could be one of the reasons.
You have made a serious allegation there. Did the governor make request for you to provide money to him at any given time?
I did.
Honorable Senators, let's turn to page 79 of our volume 4A, transaction 101. Page 80, transaction 35. Page 80, transaction 35. Edna, kindly tell us whether you made any transaction, to whom, what time, and how much was it?
This is a transaction which was done on the 30th of June.
Council, please guide senators on the exact.
Thank you, Madam Speaker. It's page
please.
80, transaction 35.
Which one is that?
Of
Please
four-
guide them.
I mean, we have to count physically because these are transactions, honorable senators. It is four from the bottom. Four from the bottom.
Four from the bottom?
Yes. It's volume 4A. It's actually number 5. Number 5 from the bottom. Page 80. To whom was that money sent, Edna?
To one, Dr. Eric Mutai, who is the governor, Kericho County.
How
from
much
my
was it?
M-Pesa number 0722 734522.
How much was it?
10,000.
Page 81, the next page, the last transaction, honorable senators. How much was sent and to whom? The last transaction at page 81.
It was on date 23rd of June 2024, again to Dr. Eric Mutai, 30,000 from my M-Pesa.
Page 82, the 5th transaction from the top.
Is that 20?
Page 82, transaction 5 from the top. How much and to whom?
It was from my M-Pesa to Dr. Eric Mutai, 20,000.
Page 83, transaction 22 from the top. Page 83, transaction 22 from the top.
Yeah, this was in December, 24th of December, 2023. I sent 100,000 to His Excellency Dr. Eric Mutai from my M-Pesa to his M-Pesa line.
Page 84, transaction 30.
That was on 17th of December, 2023, to Dr. Eric Mutai from my M-Pesa, 40,000 to his M-Pesa.
Page 85, transaction 31. How much and to whom?
It was on 14th of November, 2023. That is to Dr. Eric Mutai. This is 10,000 from my M-Pesa.
How were these requests made, Edna?
The requests were made through phone calls. You are called, you are told, I have something urgent to attend to Waziri. Kindly send me some 10,000, 20,000, or sometimes you would say, I need some 100,000 if you don't have. Send maybe like 20, 50 if you have. Sometimes he would give me the phone numbers of the his PA. There is one Robinson Keplangat and Reni Kipsang, who normally the governor would call and tell me, I need some amount put to this line, and the rest is just there.
Are there instances where you gave money in any other form other than M-Pesa?
There are other forms, but I cannot prove here, so I wouldn't want even to dwell on that.
How much money in your estimation have you given to the governor pursuant to his requests?
From what I estimate via M-Pesa, direct to him and through to the aides, is close to 1.6 million.
1.6 million?
Yeah.
And where was the source of this money, Edna?
Before I joined the county government of Kericho, I used to work in Uasin Gishu as a career civil servant, Ministry of Health, as a senior public health officer, until when I got the job. I took early retirement, which I was not ready for it anyway, but nevertheless I did. And I'm a business lady. I run an hardware. I'm a landlady. I have residential houses. So I have many businesses.